Hello everyone, it's me, Sarah, and welcome to my monthly vlog. And yeah, so waking up and going to school, documentation. So let's see, we have so many fit videos just walking around every corners of the city, stepping. Um, bakit ako nag-English? Pwede naman tayong mag-Tagalog, diba? So, ayun, nakakarami po tayo maglakad. Kaya lakad. Muntikan ko na makalimutan yung term ng lakad. So, March is birth month ng aking kapatid. So, I gave her a simple bouquet. Thank you to my friend, my classmate, Marinel, for the beautiful bouquet. Rose tree. Check it out, guys. And then here, we have bugs. Namumukadkad na po tayo. Char. And then, nag-try ako ng mga content. Explore lang. And then, tambay sa library dahil mas nafe-feel ko yung concentration vibes to. Oh! May ganun. And then, lakad na naman. Okay, yung paborito ko na yung pag-video ng ano. Tapos, pati yung moon. Staying alive and working out. Para naman mabawas-bawasan yung magiging stiff natin. Kasi puro tayo laptop. It's a month of revising our papers, starting new chapters for our thesis, and then taking down notes and trying to get back in track for productivity. And ayun, nag-English na naman tayo. Filipino dapat ito. So, ayun, dinocument ko lang yung parang a day in a life.
Okay, meron na po tayong
Yung month ng March ay isa sa mga parte ng buhay ko kung saan na buboost yung pagiging matapang natin. Especially sa mga bagay na bago pa lang sa atin. And then, tulad ng isang pusa na hindi alam ang gagawin. Ako. Tapos, and then buying the necessities in life, becoming a responsible person, and dito natin parang nakita talaga na yung reality ng adulting. Wow, adulting is real. Sabi nga nila. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga nagtumulong para ma-boost yung aking courage, confidence, and then faith, hope. Ganyan. Hindi talaga natin ma-expect kung mangyari sa buhay. Pero thank you so much, Lord, for all the blessings that I received. And then, ayan, isi-showcase ko po dito sa aking monthly vlogs lahat ng grateful things that I have encountered, I've experienced. Dapat tinatawag ko tong adventures, di ba? Yun. Yun po. And then, there are things that we can't understand. And just trust God and trust God and be patient, because if you work hard on those things, it'll pay off. Of course, just believe in yourself, in Him, have faith, keep going, never give up. So, just never give up. Isa sa pinaka-cliche na, pinaka inulit-ulit na advice. Pero it really works. And then, going home, having a break is very important then. recovery from the exhaustion, like doing the things you love, like making an art, drawing ulit tayo. Kasi isa yan sa gusto kong maging content for my TikTok, which is you can follow its circle, CYRCHOO. Subscribe para makita ng mga speed paint and time-lapse ko. Tulad sa favorite anime natin na si Frieren. At habang nag-drawing ako dito, yung tenga ko nasa kung ano yung pinapanood ng kapatid ko. Which is, ang mutya ng section A, minsan din, Pinoy Big Brother. Hindi ko maiwasan basic kasi isang gawain. Tapos yung tenga mo na nandun. Tapos parang na-entertain ka din. Hindi mo na mamalayan. Kikinig ka na pala habang ginagawa mo yung gusto mo. Which is natapos ko na at uploaded na siya sa TikTok. And then please subscribe and support my channel para naman ganahan tayo. And then decluttering the stuff at home. And ang dami kong discover ng mga hindi na gumagana open entrance. Pero ayoko silang itapon. Baka pwede kong magamit. Baka magkaroon kami ng miniature. So ito naman ako. Busy na naman. Maglakad. Punta kung saan-saan. Kinakaroon na po natin ng adventure. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang pagkain. Pagkain vlog. At yung kakain ng cat food. Yan, pawis tayo dahil nag-workout tayo. Hello everyone. Little girl, the lonely well, with the same little tale to tell, feeling trapped by the walls that hold her, feeling stuck in the story they've told her. Another day where she fades away, never daring to disobey, so she's dreaming all alone, sharing secrets with the stone. My father told me long ago, brave the bitter storm of snow, is that the girl I'll never know again. Waiting on a wish, in 1,000 treetops, as the silver sky stops, send a whisper to the water. Waiting on a wish, holding out for someday. Little girl at the lonely well, with the same little tale to tell, feeling trapped by the walls that hold her, feeling stuck in the story they've told her. Another day where she fades away.
Won't you trust me, someone good? But in the shadow the kingdom's garden, some old fairness long forgotten. Living on a wish is a normal someday. Can I somehow, someway learn to be my father's daughter? Someone who could finally start speaking with a fearless heart. Someone who could finally start speaking with a fearless heart. Someone who just might be brave. Someone who needs to say, all I can always dream, but then you wake up and it's me again. Being like a wish.